If you want to improve your writing skills, then this video is for you. Watch till the end. Let's get started with useful tips and tricks to improve writing skills. Focus on the topic, read and research the topic, make a plan and outline. It is also important to choose a proper environment. Read more books, build your vocabulary, have some awareness of purpose and audience, keep useful resources available. Work on cohesion and coherence. Cohesion is organization within sentences, coherence is organization within paragraphs. Avoid using contractions, make use of strong verbs, and learn new word each day. And then create random sentences. While writing, focus on spelling, capitalization, and punctuations. Do use connectors and have some knowledge of different writing types like descriptive writing and narrative writing. Do proofreading and editing. Check for overall organization. Look for errors before submission and don't rely on spell checkers. They do misguide you. 5 stages in writing. Based on these tips, there are 5 stages. So let's explore them one by one. Number 1, pre-writing. Think and decide before you start writing. Make sure you understand your assignment. Decide on a topic to write about. Follow pre-writing strategies. Brainstorm ideas about the subject and how those ideas can be organized. Like mind making in the beginning. Second stage is research if your topic requires. List places where you can find information and also evaluate your sources. Third stage is drafting. Write sentences and paragraphs even if they are not perfect. Create a thesis statement with your main idea. Put the information you research into your essay accurately without plagiarizing. Read what you have written and judge if it says what you mean. And write some more. Revising. Make it better. Read what you have written again. Rearrange words, sentences, and paragraphs into clear logical order. Read your writing aloud to be sure if it flows correctly. Editing and proofreading. Make it correct. Be sure all sentences are complete. Change words that are not used correctly or are unclear. Make sure you're using the appropriate style formatting like MLA, APA. And most importantly, have someone else to check your work. Okay, now I hope you've understood all these tips. Now get started with writing. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And do share with others. Thanks for watching.